I'm sure you've all heard by now about the fake gurus in the trading community. So for the people who are asking where do I go now, who should I watch, what should I do, and to be honest, you'll need to do it yourself. Don't get me wrong, watch videos, but don't take it literally. If someone shows you their strategy, assume it doesn't work. If you like to take advice or tips, go ahead, but make your own strategy. There's a reason why there's countless professionals hired for hundreds of thousands if not millions of dollars to determine a company's portfolio, or just like Jane Street, you code your strategy. Please don't ask ChatGPT to make decisions for you. There's a clear disclaimer right here that ChatGPT can make mistakes. Use it for something else like a Monte Carlo simulation if you can't make one. First of all, use actual data. TradingView won't suffice, and you will need real institutional data if you're actually serious. Second, market is about buying and selling pressure. Market makers don't care about your stop loss. They want to profit off their bid or ask getting filled, not going after your stop loss. And last, do it yourself. Don't need to invest into any good order flow sites like Deep Charts, Euro Charts, NinjaTrader. If you want an experiment, take notes. This is where you actually start and not dream. Then you'll run a simulation either by ChatGPT or make a code to do it. It's really easy, search it up, and after you refine your strategy and consistently outperform the futures you want like S&P 500 or NASDAQ, then shoot, go ahead and use a prop firm or your live account. It's not as easy as I say it is, but you have to keep in mind this is one of the most liquid assets and competitive industry in the entire world. So if you're actually serious about getting into a sort of commitment, then try. And good luck to anyone who's trying, and anyone who made it, congratulations. Thanks. Bye.